going to be looking at example 3 in your section 4.4 notes. We're given sketches of the first and second derivative, and we would like to find any critical points, inflection points, where our function is increasing, decreasing, intervals of concavity, and then we're really given a nice point here that our function goes through the origin. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that on my graph of f. This is where I'll end up putting the final answer in a bit. Okay. All right, so the red parabola looking graph is my first derivative, and it's drawn above the x-axis, so I can see from 0 to 1 I have positive values. Okay, 1 is where it would be equal to 0, and then from 1 to 2 I also have positive values. So this tells us when we go to draw the function over here from 0 to 2 that we're going to be increasing, okay, from 0 to 1 and also from 1 to 2. Okay. All right, the second derivative is drawn in blue. It isn't positive everywhere. In fact, we can see right here we have a negative piece, so we'll assume this keeps on going over to 0. So from 0 to 1, we're going to have a negative mark for our second derivative. And then after 1, we have positive values for our second derivative. So we are going to have a change in concavity. So that is going to tell us that x equals 1 is an inflection point, which I'll go ahead and abbreviate like that. We know from 0 to 1, we're going to have that f is concave down. And then we're going to have that f is concave up from 1 to 2. Okay, so we're ready to go at this stage. I'm going to go ahead, since this is increasing everywhere, I'm going to make my inflection point be up here somewhere. I just have to watch my concavity as I go to sketch. So I want to be concave down from 0 to 1, so I want to bend down. Okay, it's definitely still increasing, it's going up as I move from left to right. And then from 1 to 2, okay, I want to make sure that I am concave up. So bend the other way, but still increasing. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and stop the graph there at 2. Okay, and that completes example 3.